Rashid here. Hope you're doing well. So let's get started with our first tutorial on Python. As I said in the previous video that we will use Google Colab so that we don't need to install anything. So already I created this file. You can go to File, New Notebook and Drive and give it a name. And I just created this one. Okay. So now we will start writing our very first code. As you can see here, we can mention, for example, we can say, okay, here, this one, my first Python code, right? That's it. And then I do another one for code. So you see this one is up there. There's no play or anything like that because this is just a text. Got it? So let's do, as I said, the wheel chart that I showed you last time, that I'm going to look into some of the key functionality so that you are familiar with the basic syntax, and the details you can always learn on your own using AI. Okay, not a big deal. So I will only cover the basic ones so that we can practice it together. Keep in mind that whatever I type here, make sure you practice it on your own. Okay, and even in Google Colab, you can see at the bottom here that you can even type in and tell it, okay, what kind of code you want. So, it will do a lot of things for you. So you don't even need me, for example, for this tutorial. You can type something here. Hey, give me the variable type, give me the print types, give me some other things. All right, and it will give you pretty cool examples. I tried that. Okay, so in this video, we will do together some different variable types. We will define those variables and then we will print those variables, right? That is pretty basic thing that you have to do in every language, and that's what we're going to practice. Okay, let's get started. So keep in mind that these variables are kind of containers, right? That hold different type of information. They can contain a string, they can contain integer, float, or a list, or arrays, or other things. Cool. So important is that in Python, you don't need to declare the type of variable upfront. You don't need to say it's going to keep integer, but the type is automatically inferred based on the value you assign to it. Okay, let's look at some examples. So here is a simple my first y variable. So it's the name of the variable. And what you do is equal sign. And then I say hello from Russia. Okay. You run this one and then you run this. The tick is there, means it has run successfully, but I'm not printing it, so that's why you don't see anything. Right? Let's do another code there, and now we print this. I don't have to. I can add another line there, but just for fun. Okay, print, simple print, and you can see I typed the first the opening of the bracket, and the rest is automatically came. Okay, now again let's do print, and it already guessed that I have just declared a variable, so I probably want to print that one. Okay, so you just do just tab and go to the end, and that's it. Let's do, so it printed it. This is kind of its terminal. Okay, hello from Russia. All right, now go back. Hello from Russia to the channel viewers. Please don't forget to subscribe. This one, and then so I actually run it. If I had not, I'll shoot. No, I don't. So if I had done this one, I have membership to certain content. And if I don't do this and I come here now, right? You have to go back, run it, and then you come here. That's good. So you understood that? Right. Another important one is, let's do another code here. So that's easy. I'm not just running the previous stuff. Is a dictionary variable. So my dictionary. Okay. And let's say I've used a typical example. I first curly bracket I put and the second one it put. So for a better visibility, I just hit enter and I move to the second line and let's say okay. I am creating a name. Okay, put in these commas and I'm saying the best one is okay. Shit. Um, that's great. I would love to be 23 years old. Okay, something else I want to do that too. Uh, what else? Suggest something. Country, Pakistan. Okay, yeah, that's good. Man, it already knows about me. Okay, something else. City, Karachi. No, I'm from Rawalpindi. Oh, I missed this. So you're already telling me a lot of information about myself. Okay, let's see. Um, what else? Come on, suggest something. Okay, current city. No, I mean United States. Current city for province. Okay, what else? Let's see what else in there. Okay. Uh, oh, okay. That knows company. Come on, say something. Oh, let's see. Why? I'm just checking how much. I normally don't do a Gemini on this one, this account like this. Employer, Amazon. No, current employer is Cadence. Okay, anyway, all right, so I'm going into a different way now. Just, I'm just checking. Um, okay, I think we missed here. We need to put this, right? Why did I put it? All right, you can have a lot of fun with this too. Why I have to, yeah, I have to. So it already gives you a lot of information, you see. Let's see. Oh, it's good. All right, I'm going. Oh, I came here and there is a code. Let's print this. Is it smart enough? Oh yeah, it's smart enough. You see the dictionary, so hit tab. Okay, good. Now that is good thing. What if, and I don't know, I haven't done this myself. What if I say print? Oh, you see there? Oh, let's click on all. So it gave me all that and I just hit that. Name, age, country, also. All right. So this kind of hash thing, right? You can give it, these are all the keys, and then it'll give you yeah. All right, that's good. So the other thing you can see also here, um, let's on the last one do company. Oh, giving you company, and then do this. My dictionary employer, company cadence. Right, let's get rid of all of them. Come on. Yeah, okay, that's good. All right, okay, that's good, right? So you're familiar with this. Simple and it gives you so much help to use. So you can, from here, you can learn everything on your own. Just type here in the bottom to whatever you want. You can get that help. Okay, so let's look at some other example. An integer, okay? Um, yeah, let's look at this. Yeah, okay, integer. That's integer. Oh, it's very simple. Equal. Okay, what do you want to give it to? Integer 30. 23. I love the age it gave me. 23, and then you can print something. Print. Let's do another type of substitution. Yes, it's substitution. I don't know. Okay. Integer. Rashid is should age. And then what should I say? And Rashid's age. Put my it already knows all the variables that I declare. Okay, good. Right. Okay, that's good. So that's what you have seen that I put this F, and you can practice more, right? Try more things, add more and more values here. Now should age is this and his country is this, city is this. Okay, but you have seen an example with integer and that. Okay, another one would be interesting is a string. I mean, we already had a string up there over here, but let's do something more relevant to the one we will look into. Okay, input string equal. Let's do this. Add. We will do instruction, right? S1, S2, S3. Good. And then what do we want to do always? Want to input. So all the variables will come with this thing. And other things you can also do. So much help. Just open this. All right, it's printed that. Okay, what else we want to do? We will do the list later on. Okay, another thing what we want to do. What we are going to do is what we are going to do instruction and name equal. So it's already guessed what I'm trying to do. So look at this. It already have input string dot split, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. So I split it. Let's see what happens. Now it has split this one. This is the that whole it knows the split. So let's do another one. Another thing. Instead of this one, yeah, I can do here instance name. What comes in? Oh, that's incident, but what am I trying to do? Okay. If I do, let's do this, sorry. And this, and let's do this as bars. Okay, to show you another something. And then what we do is in section name, we will do parts. Okay. 0 dot subject. Okay, no, don't do those. No, not yet. Okay, print instance name. So strip is going to remove any white spaces in front or in the trailing side. I think we had a jump in Perl language. Okay, so you have seen that, right? So what did we do? We split it with a comma. It separated everything. And this part 0 is this add. What is part 1? Is S1, right? What is part 3? 2 and S2. So that way we can get the instruction in. Actually, what we can do is is instance name, and then RD destination register. So instruction name is in the first one. Right? This is instruction name. This is parts one. Yeah, that's good. And then our first source register is, oh, it's telling as guess that. So instruction bar D. That's good. Data. Hope you guys are following me, right? Okay, I'm very much involved in this program, so um, let's do print. What do I want to do? Okay, let's do this. Oh yeah, all right, let's do that. Okay, that's that. So this one is our instruction name, right? This this one. So this is the first print. Okay, this is instance name, instruction name, sorry, not instance name. Okay, this is instruction and this is RD is our source register S1. So this is what we're going to use to parse. So I've given you a variable name as well as some function. So by the way, if you look at this here, let's do another thing. Let's do another code. If the input is instruction, right? Okay. String equal to, what was that? Input, yeah, input string. Right. If you do, oh, okay, look at this one. I just want to tell you that when you put dot, if you look at there, if you put dot, all the different functions will come to you, and one of those function is replace. And if you do this, it says that the add text inside the string, you can replace it with sub. All right, you got subtraction. So much cool stuff. Let's do this. I do dot, and you can see these are all, you can get help, but these are all the functions on upper. I'll do the upper. If I do this, yeah, so it has converted into uppercase. You see that? So now from here you can experiment so much. I think let's do one other thing I want to show you. And that is, what is that? List. Yeah, let's look into some of the list. And there's a Boolean type. Actually, let's do the Boolean type and the list next time. Okay, that will be too long video, and maybe I can add some other data types and a little bit more printing, so that first two videos are on variable types and printing. Okay, hope you enjoy this. It's not that difficult. You'll figure out pretty quickly on your own. And if you have any question, anything, any ideas for me, let me know. Okay, I'll see you in next video pretty soon.